Namaste. In this video, we will learn about Kala, which is one among the Navakarana Dravyas. Kala is a Dravya which is eternal or Nitya. It is Anadi without beginning and Ananta without end. It is the cause of change in the universe. In this video, we will learn about the derivation, definitions, Lakshana, the division and significance of Kala in Ayurveda. Simply Ayurveda is an initiative to explore and share the concepts of the vast science of Ayurveda in an easy manner. Consider subscribing to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more updates. The term Kala is derived from Kal Dhatu, which means to count or to add on. Kalayati Ayuhu, the entity which maintains the count of Ayu, is called Kala. Let us look into the definitions and Lakshanas of Kala. Kalanat sarvabhutanam sa kalaha iti parikirtitaha. That which accounts for all the entities in the universe is called Kala. Sa sukshmamapi kala namyate iti kalaha. That which does not pause even for a minute moment is called Kala. Kalayati mrityum samipam nayati iti kalaha. The entity that leads the karya dravyas to mrityu or destruction is called Kala. Atitadi vyavahara hetuhu kalaha. Sacha eko vibhur nityascha. Kala is the cause for expressions like past, present and future. It is a single entity, all-pervading and eternal. These expressions are relative to the observer. For instance, for a man who is sitting under a tree in the present, the past is him thinking about the time when he planted the tree, and the future is the tree giving rise to new trees from its fruits. Hence, ultimately, Kala cannot be divided because it is continuous like the flow of a river. Aparasmin aparam, yugapat, chiram, kshipramiti, kala lingani. Kala has the following features according to Vaisheshika Darshana. Paraparatva, relativity with respect to time, for example, older, younger, elder, etc. Yugapat, happening simultaneously. Chiram, happening over a large span of time. Shipram, expeditious or swift. We will now look into the Kala Vibhajana explained by Acharya Sushruta. The basic unit of time is Matra or Nimesha. It is Laghu Akshara Uchchara Matra, or the time taken to utter one small vowel. It is also considered as Akshinimesha Matra, or the time span of blinking the eye once. 15 Nimesha is considered as one Kashta. 30 Kashtas is called a Kala. 20 Kalas is one Muhurta. 30 Muhurtas make up one Ahoratra or a day. 15 Ahoratras constitute a Paksha or a fortnight. 2 Pakshas, namely Shukla and Krishna, make up a Masa or a month. 2 Masas make up a Ritu and 3 Ritus make up an Ayana. 2 Ayanas make up one Samvatsara or an year. Acharya Charaka has divided Kala into two, Nityaka and Avastika. Nityaka is divided into 2 Ayanas, Dakshinayana and Uttarayana. The seasons coming under each Ayana is explained as follows. Avastika Kala, on the other hand, explains the Dosha Avastha and Vyadhi Avastha. For a student of Ayurveda, this basic division of Kala is to be understood. But it should be kept in the mind that Kala has been classified extensively in the Bharatiya Shastras for various scientific purposes. These divisions are beyond the scope of explanation in this video, and hence links for the same will be left in the description box below. We must never forget the Ekatva, Vibhutva and Nityatva of Kala when we explain the divisions of Kala. It can be correlated with the concepts in quantum mechanics like relativistic time, arrow of time, imaginary time, and time dilation. The links for these are also mentioned below. The significance of Kala in Ayurveda. To classify Vyadhis, Kalaja and Akalaja, and Prakrita and Vaikrita. Kala is considered as a nidana for rogas. Kriya Kalas, namely Ritu Kriya Kala and Vyadhi Kriya Kala. Kala plays a role in the prognosis or sadhya sadhyata. Kala is considered to determine arishta or bad prognosis. Kala is considered in drug collection. Aushadha Sevana Kala or time of medicine consumption. Kala also plays a major role in planning chikitsa. Let us revise what we learned so far. We looked into the derivation of the term Kala and understood its various definitions. We also learned the lakshanas of Kala. We jumped into Kala Vibhajana and understood its extensiveness and scope. Finally, we understood the significance of Kala in Ayurveda. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment your opinion and consider subscribing to our channel. Share with your friends and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates.